Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys the top 5 must-have iPhone apps of July 2019. You can get all of these apps for free from the App Store. The first app for the video is called Certo. This is a security review tool for your iPhone. It will help you protect your device by taking a look at its configuration and then will guide you through different steps that will help you make your device more secure. Now, once you open the app, you will see here 3 different categories. So if you go to Device Analyzer, it will show you whether you're up to date and whether you have your passcode, Touch ID or Face ID enabled. And as you can see right here, it shows you how to enable them if you don't have them enabled. Then you have the security checklist here from the iCloud protection, location services, mic and cam, all that stuff. So you go to one of them and it shows you right here how you can review your settings, and you tap right there and it shows you where you have to go to review those settings and set them up so that your device can be more secure. Now, Certo also offers an iPhone scanning service. So what it does is that it will find spyware, it will detect them on your iPhone. So there are a lot of like spyware apps like FlexiSpy, MSpy, HelloSpy, all that. But due to iOS restrictions, you cannot do those scans right here on the device. What you will have to do is go to their website and get their tool for your Windows or Mac PC. I will leave the website linked also right down below in the description of the video. Right there, you will find the software that allows you to scan your device for spyware, jailbreak detection, all that stuff. And of course, you will find instructions on exactly how you can scan your device. The next app for the video is called LogoLab. This is a pretty cool app that allows you to easily create any logos that you want. Now, it has a few paid logos and also a ton of free of them. So you can see right here, you will have like different categories, and just go ahead and pick one of the free ones. You can see right here, you can change the colors right there. It's really awesome. You can choose also how many colors you want to have. Then of course, you can go ahead and edit the text right here and add your own. Just go ahead, enter any text you want. This is really cool. So you can create your logo easily from this app for like anything that you want, like for your website or your YouTube channel, maybe your profile pic, anywhere you want, and just tap right there and you can go ahead and save that to the camera roll of your device and of course use it anywhere you want. The next app for the video is called Steps Tracker, and this one is really awesome. It has a ton of features to offer, so it will track your steps right here, your water intake right there. It is really awesome. So you can go ahead and just, for example, add water just like this. It's really awesome. So it has a ton of free features that you can go ahead and use to go ahead and just basically track your health, your activity, all that stuff. So you can see right here, floors climbed, all that stuff, calories burned, all that will be right there. And you will have the distance, 7-day average, and your daily goal, which you can adjust of course on however you want. And then you have your achievements right here. So it will show you different achievements when you complete different tasks. And right here you will also see reports for your weeks. You have all the steps here, exercise time, your calories, distance, all that stuff. The next app for the video is called Photo Editor. This is one of the few photo editors app that you can get that is absolutely free. So it has a bunch of cool features, like you can edit pictures, music maker, and you have here the college maker. So it's really awesome. So let's go ahead, just load a picture. And once you have loaded the picture that you want to edit, you can go ahead and just tap adjust, and here you will find all the tools. Of course, you can go ahead and add different filters to the pictures, and of course add any text that you want. So you see here different fonts, of course different colors and different formats right here. So basically everything is free right here with this app. It is really awesome. Once you're done, just tap right there and you will be able to save it under the camera roll of your device with all those edits, all for free. And last but not least is a weather app called Breeze. This is a new app. I really love it because of its UI. It's very simple, very easy to understand. So what you will see here is the city that you choose or your location right here. It will show you the degrees right there. Lower here, it will show you the day, how the weather will be during the day. You can see right there that chart, pretty awesome. And then you will see the complete week right here. Now if you go here, you can add a location or you can remove a location. You can change the units, and of course you can also go ahead and change here between different themes for this app. You can see right here it looks really cool. So that is it for this video, guys. These are the top 5 must-have iPhone apps of July 2019. To get these apps, make sure you check out the description of the video. You will find there the links to all of these apps. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.